Thank you very much, all of my friends. I am Mohammad Shamik Mia, C-Sharp Mobile Programmer. Now, welcome back my tutorial. Now, in this time, I'm going to teach you how can we create a store procedure. And our store procedure main target will be how can we create a login store procedure. So this time, we are now going to teach how can we create a login step procedure. So our previous tutorial I teach you that how can we create a login by normal query, but mainly the software company or advanced level work, you need to know the process of how can you create login by step procedure or view. So 2008 SQL Server, the view procedure is also be uh, perfect in this region, but I'm not going to teach you by step procedure. So at first, if we want to create a login procedure, a login process by using step procedure, that we need to know the logical process for a login. Actually, what are rarely play when we try to log in some kind of a Facebook or Microsoft account or Gmail. What kind of process that time uh, uh, going to be? So actually, if we want to access our valuable code by logging a selected page, actually we need to match some condition. What's the condition? For example, you have two text box, two field in database. One field name is username and another is a password. So you want to secure your all of data. So you have two information. One is username and two is password. For example, username is admin and password name is 123. So if I want to access your code, I need to know your password. So when I open your website or Windows application, offline based software, that time I need to declare all of your information, and I mean admin and 123. So when all of my information will be matched by your two fields, inside your two fields, that time I will be allowed. Other hand, I will be not allowed in your database access. So mostly in this time I will be learn you the same process using step procedure, and also I'm now going to use a two parameter, and the parameter will help me by transport my information inside the database, those essential fields. So I'm now going to open my database. SQL Server 2008 R2 version is my database, and here the default codes and create procedure SP login. Okay, actually I have already created this code, so I'm now just if I want to modify my code, so in this reason I just write here alter. But at first, when you try to create your SP login, that time you need to write create. Okay, create first to SP login. So this two is my parameter, because these two, I mean parameter password and parameter username will help me by transport my values inside the essential fields for match my information inside your database fields. If match is not mismatched, that I will be allowed, and other hand I will not be allowed. I will be fact or flash. So here as actually those parameters actually how the process those parameters will be work. So I just declare here as this parameter work as select I dot star. I dot star means alter. I dot alter means all the fields will be select. All the fields will be select inside all the fields inside I, and I equals login. Actually, I have a login table here. I have a login table here. So I declare I equal login. I mean login and I the same. Actually, I express login by I. So in this time I declare a condition where. So when I give some value inside my table, that time those information will be contain those parameter password and username which generate is vector, and those parameters will be give those information what I declare in my Visual Studio Form text box inside password and username field, and password and username fields are remain here inside my table. So when my information will be not mismatch, that time I will be allowed to access your database, and otherwise I will be not allowed. So at the time I will flash that I'm fake. So in this when you create this code, that after that you need to click here execute, and if you have none of error, that time the command will be successfully, and after that create your step procedure, that time you need to rewrite here alter, because if you want to modify or some kind of replacement, you need to here declare alter, because you can't create the same name, same store name or vname in your database. So you need to apply alter. So I'm not going to run here again, and there will be a message show to me please execute successfully, and in a form C# code. If you just declare here SQL login, that time you will be if you just declare SQL login this name, then you doesn't need declare those parameters or fields or while condition, because you have already created a store procedure, and it will be very simple and very easy to transaction your database to form or form to database information in passing, and it will be a time save process. So all of my friends, thank you very much, and we wait my next tutorial will be more entertainment and will be more interesting, more fantastic. Thank you very much, all of my friends.